So I just wanted to give you a quick recap of the last video where the hole was in the ceiling, the leak got fixed, and all of that. So I'm showing you a recap of what it looked like when we were just initially trying to install the simple light. Okay, so this is what we ended up with pre-fixing the leak and all that jazz. Now let me show you where we are in the process of repairing this so that we can then go ahead and finally put the light up. So this is the, small little hiccup. And now comes the repair process. I need to go up one more. Oh my God, there's just so fucking bad. Okay, what are we doing? Huh? Okay. Just hold it where? Just anywhere? Here? Be careful on that thing. That freaking island. Hole is patched up, as you can see, and now he is just mudding everything, I guess. Baby, what you doing?
Everything getting mud.
Everything getting mud.
Yeah.
And then
all this popcorn.
Yeah, and then after all this dries, will there be another coat added?
Yeah, I'm sanding it, and then another coat. Sand that.
Okay.
Then prime.
So I should anticipate my light going up next week.
Oh Lord.
I'm just curious.
Next week? What? Next week is tomorrow.
Huh?
Next week is tomorrow.
Well, I mean, this week coming at some point, or no? Just trying to get an idea. No rush.
I should have it done in a couple days.
Couple days. All right, but look at it.
Because I gotta sand it.
Nice.
And I gotta prime it.
Right.
But then put 2 coats of paint on it. Well, this ceiling, so we might just be able to get away with one coat of ceiling flat.
Okay.
But I gotta fix all these imperfections because
you know what though? You never can tell the difference from no popcorn to popcorn. Like now that there's no popcorn, it just looks so good. I kind of see why people hate popcorn now. Usually it doesn't bother me. Like over there, that doesn't bother me. But here it just, I don't know, I feel like it goes. And then when the light come down, it's just going, Oh, anyway. Let me finish doing my today's stuff. Alright, look at the ceiling now. Look at the ceiling now. Completely repaired. It's getting primed right now. No more holes, no more popcorn. Just like it never had a hole in it. Nothing, just nothing. Look at that. Not gonna lie, I'm still a little concerned about the light being over there instead of more here, but I'm just trusting his judgment. And yeah, so that's been repaired and fixed. Looks so good. So good, like it never happened. And you saw in the last clip, you know, I did assist. Can't even tell where the hole was. Like, there's no seams. It's just nothing. Like, nothing. Just like it's never happened. And we're moving right along. I'm excited. And scared at the same time about the whole light situation.
Babe.
Yes.
I never even thought that you even consider putting the light in the middle of the tray. I always thought the light was for the island.
It's for balance.
My thought process was centered on the island.
Yeah, I understand what you're saying also, but because you have created the tray that wasn't originally there, now we have to visually go with what appears to be the center. Not the center of the island and the extension, but the center of the ceiling to me, because it's not just a pendant light, it's a long light.
Yeah. That
has some length on it. So I just feel like and then it has those cables. The cables is what really throws me off. I feel like they should be centered because they're going to be coming out 4 different ways. And if you put it here to try to center it with the island, right? You'll have cables coming this way, that way, and they're going to be close to this. Even if you drop it low, it's still going to be close, and it's going to look visually off.
Well, it's the, I guess it's the, what they call it, the better of two evils, because here you got the island here, and then this is the center of the tray. Now you got a light to come down, just hitting this corner of the island. So I get it, and we can't move the island over there because
there's not enough space.
Unless you want to cook like that.
No. No. Look. Why? Why?
Let me take a seat. You know.
So my light is still here. Look at it. It's still here. Just hanging, dangling. Just right here. I haven't added the other things yet because I really don't think I'm going to be able to do it till it's flipped up the right way. But these are the cables that I'm talking about right here that are going to be hanging down. I don't know, y'all. I'm just trusting the process, and yeah. I'm just trusting the process, but I'm very pleased with this whole thing here. Just like, bam, fixed, done, capiche.
I'll let that dry and fix any imperfections. I see a couple imperfections. That prime them, and then they're ready for paint. And so that means that if you paint, right, by the time I get ready to, I can hang the lights down. I can hang the lights down. Get the ceiling painted.
If I paint what?
Ceiling light.
What ceiling?
That ceiling.
In the center?
Yeah, that's what I just primed.
Just that in the little hole right here.
Yeah, but I gotta get some ceiling white.
Oh.
Both of these need to come down. And like this side needs to come up some. Too much. Come down just a little.
Yes. Are you still recording?
Nope.
That's bothering me. This is so close to the thing. And we have a light. We have a light. We have a light. So, here's the ceiling. I showed you guys how he repaired the entire ceiling, painted it, prime painted it, the whole 9. Now, is not in the center of this tray. It's not in the center of the tray, but it is in the center of the island when that piece comes as well. So it's dead center from this end to the new coming in. And look at that. Look at all those crystals. She's pretty. She's heavy. She definitely goes with her. Look at, look at, look at, look at, look at, look at, just look at them. Look at them. Look at the dramatics. Can you see? And it's bright. It's so freaking bright. The two is doing the most to me. Ron told me to film. He said, Sharon, just give them this angle so that they can see without the tray. Just this angle, how his vision was straight in the center of the island and straight over the table. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. It does not even look like clips before this. There was a situation. Beautiful light. I'll leave the link to this particular light and this one actually down in the description below. So if you're interested in either one of them, they will be listed down there. I think it's safe to say at this point that your bling girl is semi-back. Now, I probably won't do much more than this as it relates to my bling life, but I think she's back. And over here, this is also going to change, definitely now, to coincide with these two lights right here. Something very similar to crystally, same situation. Yesterday's video, I gave you a sponsored video of the chandelier that's in our master that is very crystally as well, right? These balls, crystal balls here, were part of that fan. They were the extra pieces that they give you in the event one breaks. And I thought because we had those there, I wanted to hang the extra ones here. So now if you order this light, you're not going to have these balls like this. Okay, just know that. You're not going to have these balls. I added those to just kind of tie it together with these because there's so many balls. Ron had to do it because my nails are too long. And it didn't take long at all to actually put the light together, believe it or not. It's just like hook and go. But I am just ecstatic. The two lights, just go ahead, just envision this with me. Just see this with me. White countertops, new island, new bar stools, new faucet, sink. Just see it. You see it? You see it? Do you see what I see? I can see it. Ah, love, just love. And it's so bright and pretty. Let me see if I can turn, because I don't even know what works this light, y'all. Because y'all know everything is smart in here. Let me see what this turns off. Nothing. Okay, so that turns those off. I think this might be that light. Yeah, so that light goes off with that. So why did these stay on like? Okay, so turn this one back on. Ooh, she bright. Oh, she's on the dimmer. So that's the brightest. Dimmer, dimmer, off. So that's the brightest right there. And then, of course, she's on a dimmer as well. But that's how we looking. That's how we looking. And I know you can't get the true vision yet. I know you can't. But I can see white backsplash. I can see white cabinetry. I see the new countertops. I can see it. I know you, it's hard. It's hard. It's coming slowly but surely. It's coming. But I wanted to show you the ceiling is fixed. The light is installed. A beautiful mistake gone right. Yeah, okay. And yeah, I think that's going to be it for today's video, y'all. I will see you in the next one. Hopefully you did watch the Fandelier video yesterday and enjoyed this one today. And I will see you guys tomorrow because we are on a whole roll. I love you guys. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Make sure you have your bell on if it works for you so that you don't miss any of our Vlogtober uploads and future videos thereafter. Look at it. It's coming. It's coming, y'all. Just hold on. Just hold on. It's coming. I love you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.